ready to transform your vanilla Minecraft world into something truly extraordinary. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of modded Minecraft by installing the incredibly popular Better Minecraft Modpack. This isn't just about a few new blocks, we're talking a complete overhaul for a richer, more immersive experience. First things first, you'll need the CurseForge app. If you don't have it, head over to their website and download it. It's your gateway to thousands of Minecraft mods and modpacks. Once CurseForge is installed and open, navigate to the Minecraft section in the search bar. Simply type Better Minecraft and hit enter. You'll see several versions of Better Minecraft. For this guide, we'll select the latest recommended version. Click on the Modpacks listing. On the Modpacks page, you'll see an install button. Go ahead and click that. CurseForge will now automatically download and install all the necessary files for the Better Minecraft Modpack. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a play button. Click this to launch Minecraft with the Better Minecraft Modpack. The Minecraft launcher will open, and you'll notice a new profile already set up for Better Minecraft. Ensure that's selected, and then click the big play button. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Better Minecraft. Get ready for enhanced graphics, exciting new gameplay features, and a world of adventure like you've never seen before. Enjoy your revitalized Minecraft journey.